Hi everyone, in today's video I am giving you a quick and simple review of MetaMask Wallet, one of the most popular crypto wallets in the world. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a free non-custodial wallet mainly used for Ethereum and other EVM compatible blockchains. It works as a browser extension and a mobile app. Key features: supports Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon and more. Built-in token swap and gas-free control. Connects easily to DeFi apps and NFT marketplace. You control the private key and seed phrase. Available on Chrome, Firefox, and mobile. Pros: trusted by millions worldwide. Easy to use with Web3 apps. Fully non-custodial. Your keys, your crypto. No KYC needed. Cons: mainly supports Ethereum and similar chains. Gas fees can be high on Ethereum. No built-in support for Bitcoin or Solana. Conclusion: if you are into DeFi, NFTs or Ethereum-based project, MetaMask is a must-have. It's secure, simple, and connects to almost every Web3 platform. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.